This video will teach you how to use portraits for 3D modeling in Hitem3D. Step 1. Click on the portrait on the homepage. You can choose either Image to 3D or Multi-View to 3D. Now let's first try Image to 3D for portrait modeling. Step 2. Upload the image. It supports formats, JPG or JPEG or PNG or web, and maximum size, 20 megabytes. Let's click to upload the image. For the photo you prepare, I suggest it be a head and shoulders shot with a clear background free of any clutter, like this. Step 3. Choose the texture. But if you don't need to generate textures, just keep it turned off. I'll try choosing the texture here. Finally, click Generate. This way, you can create a portrait modeling work with excellent results. The facial details and skin tones of the portrait are reproduced very well. And clicking here can also turn off the texture. You can clearly see the facial contours. This way, you have completed a portrait modeling from image to 3D. Now let's continue learning about multi-view to 3D portrait modeling. Here we need to upload portrait images from different angles. And you can move the mouse here to see the specific requirements. First, please upload 2-4 clear images of a single object with a simple background and no tilt. Second, a front view is required. This is mandatory. The back view, left view, and right view are optional. Third, supported formats, JPG or JPEG or PNG or web. Fourth, maximum size, 10 megabytes. Okay, now let's click to upload multiple views. You can generate such multi-view images in advance using AI. Note, it should be a portrait like this with a clean background, showing the head and upper body. Then upload the front view first. Next, upload the back view. Upload the left view. And the right view. Next, you can choose to generate the texture or keep the texture turned off. Finally, click Generate. This way, you have completed a multi-view 3D portrait modeling experience. And if you want to continue generating textures, you can click here. Wait a moment, and you will get a textured portrait model. There is no doubt that multi-view modeling contains more details than single-view modeling. On the right, you can also see the reference images, geometric information, and texture information. Click here to choose from 4 different download formats. If you are not satisfied with the generated result, you can also click here to retry for free up to 3 times. Okay. That's the tutorial for generating 3D portraits.